Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Tesla Model 3 headlights. This simple process can significantly improve your night driving experience and enhance safety for everyone on the road. We'll cover everything you need to know, from setting up your car to making precise adjustments. You'll be able to complete this task yourself, ensuring your headlights are perfectly aimed for optimal performance. Before we begin, let's get your workspace ready. First, find a flat, level surface and park your Model 3 facing a wall. Next, measure exactly 25 feet from the wall to the front of your vehicle and mark that spot. This distance is crucial for accurate adjustment. Finally, gather your tools. You'll only need a T20 Torx screwdriver to make the necessary changes. Now, let's locate the adjustment points. Open your Model 3 front hood to reveal the headlight assemblies. On top of each headlight, you'll find two distinct adjustment screws. It's important to know that each screw serves a specific purpose. One screw controls the vertical aim of the beam, allowing you to raise or lower it, while the other manages the horizontal aim, moving the beam left or right. With the screws located, you can now make your adjustments. Use your T20 Torx screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw, raising or lowering the headlight beam as needed. Then, use the other screw to adjust the horizontal aim, moving the beam left or right. A good target is to aim the top of the beam 2½ inches below the center of the headlight, as measured on the wall. Remember to adjust one headlight at a time for precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.